Abraham took another wife named Keturah. She bore him sons, Zimran, Jokshan, Medan, Midian, Ishbak, and Shua. From these sons came many descendants and nations, but Abraham gave all that he had to Isaac, the son of promise. To the sons of his concubines he gave gifts, and then sent them away to the east, far from Isaac. Abraham lived a total of 175 years. Then he breathed his last and died in a good old age, full of years. His sons, Isaac and Ishmael, buried him in the cave of Machpelah, in the field Abraham had purchased from Ephron. There he was laid beside Sarah, his wife. After Abraham's death, God blessed Isaac, who settled near Beer-lahai-roi. These are the generations of Ishmael, Abraham's son by Hagar, Sarah's servant. Ishmael had 12 sons, who became 12 rulers of their own tribes. Ishmael lived 137 years, then breathed his last, and died. His descendants settled from Havilah to Shur, near Egypt, in the direction of Assyria. Now, these are the generations of Isaac, Abraham's son. Isaac was 40 years old when he married Rebekah. For many years she was barren, but Isaac prayed to the Lord, and the Lord answered. Rebekah conceived twins, and the children struggled within her. She sought the Lord, and he said, "Two nations are in your womb. Two peoples will be divided. One shall be stronger than the other, and the older shall serve the younger." When the time came, she gave birth to twins. The first was red and covered with hair, so they named him Esau. Afterward his brother was born, grasping Esau's heel. He was named Jacob. Isaac was 60 years old when they were born. As they grew, Esau became a skillful hunter, a man of the field, but Jacob was quiet and dwelled among the tents. Isaac loved Esau, for he enjoyed the game he brought, but Rebekah loved Jacob. One day Jacob was cooking stew. Esau came in from the field, exhausted and hungry. Esau said, "Let me eat some of that red stew, for I am weary." Jacob replied, "Sell me your birthright first." Esau said, "I am about to die. What good is a birthright to me?" So he swore an oath, selling his birthright to Jacob. Then Jacob gave him bread and lentil stew. Esau ate, drank, and went on his way, thus despising his birthright.